Whenever we talk about making money online, we usually think of the following: smartphones, games, social media. All of these are examples that come to mind. Nowadays, however, we can earn money through pretty straightforward methods. Using technology. Stunning, isn't it? The way it works is simply by doing the designated tasks given by the website in question. Cashing out the received cash online will allow you to make big money non-stop. You can keep doing this over and over again. My goal today is to introduce you to a site that assists you in developing an income stream. Through this website and with the free guideline, you can earn decent amounts every day. Don't worry, you won't have to spend anything on these apps if you follow these simple 1, 2, 3 steps. No technical skills are required, no social media following or engagement. And you don't need to sell products either. What you need to do is download the apps. The ones I'll show you, and you will make cash online in no time at all. As a result, to properly set up this strategy, I need you to stay with me until the very end so that you will be informed about navigation tip and bonus money-making tips that will help you maximize your earning potential by doing little work. But before we start, hope you can give big thumbs up to the video. Feel free to contact me if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video. Don't be shy about leaving a comment down below. Let's get back to the point. To start things off, let's head over to the Capterra.com. Here's where we are going to get the big bucks. As a part of our plan, we intend to write reviews for specific software so that they can improve their newly developed. You should be able to see the homepage once you head over here. Here you will have hundreds, if not thousands of software, which you can review. And by the way, don't worry, you won't be needing specific technical skills to qualify and review for them. This platform makes it easy for developers to discover the main issues of their creations through the help of Capterra. This platform offers services that can quickly and cheaply show what troubles or bugs need to be fixed before publishing their software again. We're going to make money by evaluating and testing out the software. That's the game for this website. Don't worry, you don't need any technical skills to do this, so don't get discouraged. The main reason why we present this website that this is such an easy money-making opportunity. You just have to test our different software to further verify that this website is legit. Let's dive into the registration process furthermore. If you want to learn more about Capterra.com, you can just scroll down below and read the features. You can also click on the FAQ on its website banner. If you have more questions about the website, again, don't get flustered by the pressure of reviewing certain websites, because I'll be giving you tips on how to create files that will serve as your reviews. With that, you can just go ahead to the homepage of the cafeteria and click on Write a Review, which you will find here. Now click on that. You will then be redirected to this page, right here, where you will be able to search any product or any website that you want to review. Otherwise, down here you will see recommended softwares that we can review upfront and direct. I'll give you very first tip, and that is to focus on reviewing PowerPoint because it's very easy to review. Just type in PowerPoint here and click on the search button. After searching, find the linked button named PowerPoint by Microsoft, and by clicking that you will then be redirected to this page where you will get the opportunity to learn money by reviewing this specific software, of course. Before I forget, you can do this method with any device that you have. You may have a laptop or personal computer or phone, it doesn't matter. Regardless of where you are in the world, it doesn't matter because this method will work for you for sure. Upon clicking, you will see the entire process or flow of giving the review. When you scroll down on the bottom page, you will see that you are still at page number 1. As you can see here, to make money from this website, you will have to finish all the pages and steps to cash out instantly. So imagine if you can accomplish multiple reviews a day. You can potentially earn decent amounts. Sounds easy, right? Just make sure to read around the website. You will be knowledgeable of the workarounds of the website and earn your desired pay. Just fill up all the needed information here to successfully register your review. Just provide them your first name, last name, email address, and for the job title, just put in freelancer. This is important because if you are not able to provide them with your job title, you're not going to accept it on this website. Now for the organization name, just put in self-employed. For the industry, just click the drop-down menu, just select what field you're currently working in. Or otherwise, if you have nothing to input, just select computer software, and this will add points to your review application, since they will see that you're capable to review specific software. For the company, size selects me, only since you're self-employed for this question. How long have you used the software? You must select 6 to 12 months. This will show them that you have been using their product for about this number of months. Now we are done with the step 1 or page number 1. We now proceed to the next part, page 2 or step number 2. In this step, you will need to provide them your feedback in terms of giving them stars equivalent to what you think the software deserves. This is very simple step. And then you will just need to click a few buttons by rating them with stars to spark their interest. Just put in 5 stars for all categories that they are going to show you. I bet they're going to love your review and pay you once they see it. But hold on, we're still not finished yet. We have a couple more things to do to accomplish this review. By the way, another bonus tip: if you see option questions, please answer them. This will show the client that you are interested in reviewing their software. Always remember to give up 10s and 5 stars, remember that. Now that was step number 2. Going to the last step. I would like to say that out of all the steps, for me this is the most important one. So don't ever skip this part. In this step, you will have to write what you like the most about the software and what you least like of the software. And after these two, you will have to describe your overall experience with the software. Here's what we're going to do now. Let's go to the google.com and search for the pros of PowerPoint. From there, you can just find anything that you think is relevant and flashy. That sentence or paragraph can make you money. You can just look for it done for your reviews in Google and just copy them. If you find your preferred answer, just copy it to this box. Now for the cons. Just search for it again, cons of PowerPoint, and do the same process. But find different opinions of other people that you think can be inputted in the review box. And last but not the least, search for describing your PowerPoint experience on google.com. There you will find a lot of people expressing their reviews about their experience using the software. You will have a variety of answers by searching for them on Google. And what's great about searching for your answers on Google is that you can do the reviews repeatedly because there are endless numbers of reviews just here on Google. Finally, on the last question, which does you switch from another product? Just click on No to show them that you have been loyal to using Microsoft PowerPoint all your life. To cap off your review, just click this button right here and click on Submit. Then boom, you're done with your review. And this is how you make money online using this website. Remember that you can maximize this by doing reviews for several software, and by using Google, you will have unlimited review entries. Overall, this is a great method that anyone can do. It's great for newbies. So hop on the online money-making train right now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, and hit the like button. See you in the next episode.